I lost absolutely everything, had $0 in my bank account, and woke up tomorrow at 21 years old. Here's exactly what I would do. That's the ultimate homepage trap. A multimillionaire sitting in a $5,000 office chair, looking through a 4K lens, telling you that your youth is a mathematical error. These guys tell you that your 20s are a ticking time bomb. They say if you aren't clearing $10,000 a month by age 23 and have $300,000 saved, you've already failed. They tell you to cut off your childhood friends, skip family dinners, sleep 4 hours a night, and treat your mind like a corporate enterprise. And there's people like this in the comments. I'm 24 and I feel like it's too late for me. What do I do? Or, this video made me realize I've wasted the last 3 years. These guys aren't trying to mentor you. This isn't an act of digital charity. Nothing's free in this world. You are looking at a highly optimized psychological checkout line. They are intentionally inducing an artificial quarter-life crisis because an anxious 21-year-old with a credit card is the single most profitable demographic on the internet. To understand how the trap works, you have to look at the narrative structure. Every single one of these videos relies on a performance of synthetic humility. The guru always starts by telling you how miserable, broke, and desperate they used to be. I dropped out of college, I owed money, I slept on the floor. This is a tactical lie wrapped in humble brag. It is designed to accomplish two things. First, it lowers your defensive guard by making them seem relatable. Second, it sets them up as a prophetic figure who has traveled to the future, conquered the matrix, and returned to hand you the keys. It's an ego trip disguised as a confession. They outline an impossible daily routine. Wake up at 4 a.m., do the cold plunge, read a book, build a software company by dinner time. It is structurally, biologically impossible to maintain this lifestyle, but that is exactly their point. When you try to replicate their routine, you obviously burn out by Wednesday afternoon. You don't blame the guru, you blame yourself. You feel like shit, you feel lazy, and you feel entirely dependent on them for the solution. Let's pull back the curtain a bit and look at the actual business model. The YouTube video titled "What Would I Do in My 20s" is just the top of a digital conveyor belt. It's the loss leader. The goal of the video isn't to educate you, it's to trigger enough panic that you click the link in the description to download their free wealth roadmap. The moment you put your email for that free roadmap, you enter the machine. You are handed over to an automated email sequence written by a copywriter whose entire job is to keep your anxiety super high. Every 3 days, you're gonna get a notification. Are you still stuck? Why everybody fails? The window is closing. Or only 3 spots left and it's $2.99 tonight. And then here comes the pitch. The solution to the very anxiety they created in their free video is $100 a month private community on WAP. They frame it as an investment for your future, but what are you actually buying? You aren't actually buying a business plan. You're buying a validation mechanism. You are paying a monthly subscription to a Discord server just to feel like you are doing something about your future in your life. While the guy running the server uses your recurring payment to lease a sports car he flaunts in his next thumbnail. And this is where the grift turns sinister. Once a young person spends $500 on a course, they cannot admit it was a scam without admitting they were foolish. So they become disciples. They go into comment sections of videos like this one to defend their guru for free. They say, "You just don't have the mindset. You changed my life and you're just a hater." They've been weaponized into an unpaid brand ambassadors for a multi-million-dollar digital corporation. The guru has successfully outsourced his public relations to the very people he is taking money from. They sell you the illusion of speed. They tell you that you need to achieve financial freedom overnight so you can enjoy your youth, but you gotta look closely at the payoff. They're asking you to spend your only years of your life where your health, your freedom, and your lack of responsibilities are at their peak. Staring at an ad manager spreadsheet or editing short-form video clips for an e-commerce brand, they're telling you to sacrifice your actual youth to buy a synthetic version of it later. The truth about your 20s is deeply inconvenient to the attention economy. It is supposed to be a mess. It is biologically designed for trial, error, horrific mistakes, and figuring out who you are when the screen is turned off.